Hi learners, so let's move with the installation of Server 2016 operating system on this newly created VM. So let's follow the steps. So select the setting options, and here you can see the firmware option available. Boot from network adapter selected by default. So we need to select Server 2016 DVD as a first option. So we move this DVD at top and apply to save the settings and press OK. Now our Server 2016 DVD is selected for booting procedure. So let's connect this VM and start with Server 2016 installation. So here you can see we have the start button. Just click on it, press any key, and then the installation procedure will be continue. So here we go with very simple options. So here you can see now we just need to click the enter button and this installation procedure will be continue. So within a few minutes this installation procedure will be completed and we will verify this newly created operating system after installation. So we are going to pause the video, select the simple options. Here you can see we have very simple options as previously we installed operating system on our physical servers or any rack mounted servers. So just click on the next button and continue with the installation. So here you can see installation process is going successfully. So when this process completed, so we will definitely verify this virtual machine and its operating system when this installation procedure is completed. So it will take a few moments for the completion of this installation. So we will wait for it and verify after installation. So here we go. Now the installation process is completed and we are going to configure password for the default administrator so we can log in with this newly installed operating system. So let's configure the password, retype the password and press enter. And here you can see after few moments we are able to logged in on this newly created virtual machine. And here we go. So I just need to put the password which I previously configured, and here we go. So it's creating the administrator profile, preparing Windows, and here we go with our newly created VM with Server 2016 installation. So here you can see now our operating system installation procedure is completed. So in the upcoming sessions we are going to verify its connectivity with the external network and its connectivity with the host as well.